No leaks coming out the side of the building. They were coming out actually from down there, from the last one. It was split on the side, in the wall. And so, oh, there's no drips. Yeah, see the paper towel's dry. And then there's no beads in between here, the white stuff, and this copper. There's no beads of water. And there's no beads of water around here. Theoretically, copper pipe lasts for 50 years. When copper pipes leak, they leak right when you install them. If they don't leak, you get 50 years. When they develop leaks, they tend to develop pinhole leaks, unless the copper pipe froze and it split. Copper pipe freezes and splits. You can actually just, cut out the little piece to the left and to the right of the split and solder in a new pipe and keep on going. If it develops a pinhole leak, you take a piece of copper and you cut it in half so that it kind of makes a C, and then you clip it over the pipe and you solder that in place, and a lot of times that'll fix the problem. And in my opinion, copper is still king.